Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow pops. Dip marshmallows on sticks into melted chocolate, add toppings, and let them set on parchment. Start by gathering marshmallows, sticks, chocolate, and toppings. Use a microwave or double boiler to melt chocolate slowly until smooth. Work in small batches to keep chocolate temper controlled, and chill finished pops briefly to speed setting and keep toppings secure. Gathering the right ingredients sets you up for success. Start with large marshmallows and wooden sticks, then pick a good melting chocolate or candy melts. Have small bowls of toppings ready so you can dip and decorate quickly. Measure about 1 cup of toppings per batch to avoid waste. Keep a tray lined with parchment nearby so pops can rest without sticking. This prep makes assembly fun and efficient. A few simple techniques make everything look professional. Heat chocolate slowly in short bursts, stirring between intervals to prevent overheating and graininess. Hold each marshmallow by the stick and dip at an angle for full coverage, gently tapping to remove drips. Roll or sprinkle toppings immediately so they adhere before the chocolate sets. Finally, stand pops upright or lay them flat in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes until firm.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.